Have you ever wondered if your NorthOne bank account is compatible with Zelle, the popular peer-to-peer payment app? It's a question that many NorthOne customers have asked themselves, and today, we're going to answer it definitively. Zelle has become an essential tool for quick and convenient money transfers. Whether you're splitting a restaurant bill with friends, sending money to a family member, or paying for a service, Zelle offers a seamless and secure way to do so. But not all banks are compatible with Zelle. So, let's dive into the details and find out if NorthOne is one of the lucky ones. Before we get to the big reveal, let's take a quick look at what Zelle actually is and how it works. Zelle is a network that connects over 1,700 financial institutions in the United States. When you use Zelle, you're essentially sending money directly from your bank account to another person's bank account. It's like sending a text message, but instead of words, you're sending money. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for, does NorthOne Bank use Zelle? The answer is, drumroll please, yes. NorthOne is indeed compatible with Zelle. This means that you can easily send and receive money using Zelle through your NorthOne account. Benefits of using Zelle with NorthOne. Convenience. Zelle offers a fast and easy way to transfer money. You can send money directly from your NorthOne app or online banking account. Security. Zelle uses advanced security measures to protect your financial information. Your transactions are encrypted, and you can add an extra layer of security by enabling two-factor authentication. Wide availability. Zelle is widely accepted by businesses and individuals across the United States. This means you can use it for a variety of transactions, from paying bills to splitting expenses. How to use Zelle with NorthOne. Enroll in Zelle. To start using Zelle with your NorthOne account, you'll need to enroll. This is a simple process that can be completed online or through the NorthOne app. Add a recipient. Once you're enrolled, you can add recipients to your Zelle contacts. This makes it easy to send money to people you frequently transfer money to. Send money. To send money using Zelle, simply select the recipient from your contacts list, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. The money will typically be transferred within minutes. Additional tips. Verify recipient information. Always double-check the recipient's information before sending money. A small typo could result in the money going to the wrong person. Review fees. While Zelle itself is typically free to use, your bank may charge fees for certain transactions. Be sure to review your bank's fee schedule to avoid any surprises. Protect your account. Be vigilant about protecting your NorthOne account information. Never share your login credentials or personal information with anyone. So, there you have it. NorthOne Bank does indeed use Zelle, making it a convenient and secure option for sending and receiving money. Whether you're splitting a bill with friends or paying for a service, Zelle can help you streamline your finances. If you're a NorthOne customer and haven't already enrolled in Zelle, I highly recommend giving it a try. It's a simple and efficient way to manage your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.